Here's an email from Maureen. My granite countertop has developed pitting in several areas. What do I do to fix it? Well, I'm all about helping you fix things yourself, but I don't think you can do this one. You need professional help. Take a look at your countertop. Chances are there's a seam somewhere where two pieces of stone come together. There's a colored epoxy in that line that probably blends in nicely. A countertop fabricator in your area can come in and apply that same epoxy to the pitted area, polish it, and make it look a lot better than it looks right now. Here's an email from Joy. I want to purchase a front load washer and dryer that's stackable because my laundry room is so small. But I've heard the washers don't clean your clothes well and have problems with mold and mildew. Any suggestion? All right, Joy, it doesn't matter whether they're stackable or side by side. The washers and the dryers work exactly the same way. As far as the whole front load issue, we have been using a front load washer at our home for the past 16 years. And let me tell you, the clothes come out just fine. At issue with these front load washers is the bladder that's around inside the door. Kind of as a rule of thumb, when you're done doing the laundry, just kind of leave that door open a little bit to allow it to dry out. We've been doing that for years and have had zero issues.